kidding. Welcome back to Liyahs Nails. In today's video, I will be doing a nail haul with nail tips. If you haven't already, go check out my previous video, which was about my nail polish supply haul, which is just basically giving you guys a cheaper route for affordable gel polish that is durable, that is crimpy, and it's very good. So go check out that video if you haven't already. But in today's video, I'll just be giving you guys my supply list for all my gel nail tips. Not gel nail tips, I'm so sorry. For all my nail tips. Honestly, these nail tips is the bomb. I also will link like where I got my nail boxes from, like how I packaged them. I did a video a while back on this, like a long time ago. I will pop up the thumbnail so you guys can check it out if you want to. But you guys, I'm like a person that loves, like when I see something that's cute, it makes me want to do it even more. So I just love the way that I, you know, perfect this, like how I set it up and everything. I'm kind of waiting on some more nail tips I've already ordered, so that's why this one is kind of like empty compared to that one, because I gotta refill it. Even this one has one spot that's empty that I'm waiting for more nail tips. So I have short, medium, and long Coffin / Ballerina. So my Coffin and Ballerina nails, I get them from a different vendor. Now, let me reword this. My short through long Coffin Ballerina nails, I get them from a vendor that is on Amazon. I really love them. They've always been affordable. They never went up when everyone was trying to start press on their businesses, or like when the pandemic hit. A brand that I was using, they went up, so I was like, yeah, no, let me find a cheaper route. Like, I'm not gonna pay double from what I was paying a couple months ago. So no. So that's how I ended up finding them. So I really love them. They nails sizes, like they actually fit your nail bed. They're not too big, they're not too small. Like they're just perfect, and I love them. So that's what these first two rows are right here. This one and this one. Those are my short through long ballerina nail tips. Now when I say short through long, I mean they come in long Coffin, but you can shape them into short, you can cut them into medium, you know what I'm saying? You can customize them into short, medium, or long ballerina / Coffin. Now the rest of these, so from here all the way down to here, is my extra long square nails. Now these I get from a vendor off of Esty. I love her. She's so freaking nice. Like, she's the best. Okay, because I've had issues like with my packages not delivering. She'll send another one out. Like, she's the freaking best. Okay, so go check her out. And I just love her. Also, her nails are so freaking strong. Like, I've never had no nails that's never been so strong without them being gel top coated. Like, they're so strong and so durable. Before I even put the polish on her, it's amazing. And then another thing I also need to talk about is, so since I do get my nails from different vendors, sometimes there be issues where the sizes aren't spread across. Like, so I wear a size medium, but for my short through my long Coffin / Ballerina nails, it will be like the regular nail sizes, like the 1, you know, the 5, the 4, the 6, the 8. But for my square nails, sometimes it can vary from like 0 or 1 for my thumb. And usually like my my index finger is like an 8. My middle finger will be a 7. My ring finger will be a 9 or 8. And then my pinky is usually like a 10. So that's what I mean when I say those sizes aren't spread across. So I do have to convert them for my customers. I will pop up my notes where I have, you know, like my sizes converted. I'll have like a chart for like for the different sizes. So with my short, medium, and long Coffin Ballerina nails, they've always stayed the same. I never had to worry about converting them. They've always been the same. But for my square nails, they do vary and they will change. Like I said, so even some customers have custom nail sizes, so theirs will just be different regardless. So regardless, like without the shape or the length, like they'll be different regardless. But yeah, so like I said, I will pop up that. It's in my notes, and I just have like for extra long ballerina, like the largest, the sizes. So like if I have nails on, I won't be having to like remember like, dang, what size, you know what I'm saying, what's medium and extra long ballerina and whatnot. So now going to my extra long and extra long Coffin Ballerina nails are, like I said, they are supposed to be, they're not filled up all the way, so my extra is supposed to go from here all the way to here, but they're empty because I kind of ran out of them. Ooh, I'm dropping. What size is, okay, so that's why they're kind of, ooh, I'm dropping. I'm sorry, hold on. I made a film look way too high. They usually don't never drop like this, but as if I was saying before they start falling out. Yeah, so, and then I have Stiletto Nails over here in these last two columns, which I will link everything down in the description down below. But like I said, the nail sizes will vary throughout the customers, and throughout the lengths, throughout the shapes. So don't expect, unless you get all of them from a same vendor, even if you do, they still might not end up being the same. You know, so it really just depends. I just love the way the nails, the way that the nails fit around the nail bed. They fit them so unique, so natural looking. Like some of the vendors on Amazon for square or extra long ballerina nails, they fit them like you have robot hands. Like my pinky size literally be the size of my index finger. That makes no type of sense. Going into that, I do want to say these stiletto nails, you will have to shape. The smallest size is a size 8 and it doesn't even fit my pinky. I'm pretty sure it fits my ring finger though. So you will have to shape it. You will have to file it into fitting like a pinky. And that's just one of the downsides. I haven't found a better vendor, which I really, to me, stiletto nails, I feel like I'm never gonna find the right vendor with them. Like it's just really hard to get a vendor. That was the best vendor I found so far that didn't have them like all weird shaped and they were actually durable. So I just took what I got and I didn't throw a fit, you know, because I've ordered some other ones from some other companies and they was just way completely off than those were. So I was just like, I'll stick with these and I call it a day. So yeah, but like I said, some of the vendors on Amazon with the extra long nails, they just wasn't fitting right. They were like way too big. They didn't even shape them like to fit your natural nail bed, like the way your nail beds are like curved. They wouldn't look natural or anything. It looked so just unshaped. Like, and I was like, I'm not gonna be shaping all these. Like for the stiletto nails is okay because that's just one nail shape and people hardly ever buy stiletto nails. But like for them Coffin extra long ballerina nails, I get a lot of orders daily with those. So I was just like, I'm not gonna put myself through all that. So that's why I ended up going to Esty. I ended up finding some very cheap, reliable brands. And she also will send you a coupon like after you've ordered. I've been using the same coupon for like months. So yeah. But I'm honestly, oh, I do want to say this. I get the same person for my square nails. I get my extra long ballerina nails from, so that is the same vendor on Esty. And then my short through long Coffin Ballerina nails and my stiletto nails, I get them from 2 different brands on Amazon. So I kind of have the same vendor, then I kind of don't. So that's why I just tell my customers, I'll be like, you know, if you previously ordered short ballerina nails but you want to convert into short square, look, I'm just gonna send you a sizing kit out. Let me know the sizes and we'll go from there, because they won't be the same sizes, especially if they have custom nail sizes. I really want to send them a sizing kit out because I can't do, if your custom nail sizes were a 2, a 6, a 5, a 7, and a 9, I can't take that and I can't convert it to the same square nail sizes, you know what I'm saying? Because it's already not the original sizes in the playbook, and then you have custom nail sizes and I can't just convert them to the square 2, 6, what did I say, 5, 7, 9, because it's not gonna be the same directly across. Like it's not gonna work that way. So that's why I always just looking on, like, I'll send you a sizing kit, it's no issue, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know the sizes when you get them, because it won't be the same all across. And I don't want someone to spend hundreds of dollars on my nails and they get the wrong sizes, okay? I will be mad as freak, and I don't want them to be mad as freaking at me. So I'll just like, I'll just send the sizing kit out and we'll just go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video with these nail sizes, these nail tips and nail sizes. If you have any comments, just comment down below and I'll try to do my best to explain it to you. But once you get it, you get it. It just took me a while to get, because I was kind of like, why are these nail sizes changing? But it was just something that I just have to learn and take my time with. If you do nails and you have the same issue, let me know down in the comments down below, okay? Because I hope I'm not the only one who be over here struggling, because it's hard, because no one makes the nail sizes right anymore, especially on Amazon. Be a hot minute. So your best bet is to go to ECC. Like I said, with my stiletto nails, I just haven't really researched the brand on ECC for it. I kind of really don't even run out of stiletto nails that often, so it's like, you know, I don't have to do any research basically. So yeah, but this is the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments. Stay tuned for part 3, which will be all my nail supplies that I haven't already did, which is my nail tips, my nail tips and my nail polish won't be in that video, but it'll be everything else that I've used to create nails this for will be in that video, from nail boxes, jewels, personal nail toes, like everything in a third will be in that video. Make sure you stay tuned for it, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Guys, so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.